Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to link your Shopify store to a Facebook pixel, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have an active Shopify store and a Facebook Business Manager account. You'll also need a Facebook pixel created in your Business Manager. Step 2. Open Shopify and go to Online Store Settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard, click Online Store in the left menu, then select Preferences. Step 3. Find the Facebook Pixel section in Preferences. If you don't see it, make sure the Facebook Channel app is installed in Shopify. Step 4. Enter your Pixel ID. Copy your Facebook Pixel ID from your Facebook Business Manager, paste it into the Pixel ID field in Shopify, and click Save. Step 5. Enable automatic tracking. Ensure that Track Events Automatically or Enable Advanced Matching is toggled on depending on your Shopify version. This allows the pixel to capture important visitor and purchase data. Step 6. Verify the connection. Go to your Facebook Events Manager, select your pixel, and use the Test Events tool to check if Shopify is sending data correctly. Step 7. Test your pixel on the website. Visit your Shopify store as a customer and perform actions like viewing a product or adding to cart. Check that these actions appear in Facebook Events Manager. Your Shopify store is now successfully linked to your Facebook pixel, allowing you to track conversions, optimize ads, and retarget visitors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more e-commerce and marketing tutorials.